Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your MIUI version and ensuring the phone has enough battery. This prevents interruptions during changes. Once done, back up any home screen layouts and note whether gesture navigation is already enabled. Now open Settings and go straight to Display. That's where navigation controls live. You're about to switch modes, so be ready to follow prompts. Make sure you have a brief internet connection. If the phone checks for updates or permissions, before switching navigation methods. In Display, locate Full Screen Display or Navigation Bar, depending on your MIUI build, and tap it to open options. You'll see buttons versus gesture navigation. Choose gesture navigation to remove the on-screen bar. The system may show a short tutorial. Follow it so you understand swipe areas. After switching, dive into the gesture settings to tweak sensitivity and enable gesture hints if you prefer a visual nudge. This ensures swipes register reliably and prevents accidental app closures once the bar is gone. Finish by testing all gestures. Swipe up for home, swipe from sides for back, and swipe up and hold for recent apps. Do this in several apps to confirm consistency. If you dislike gestures or something breaks, go back to navigation settings and select buttons to restore the bar. If gestures are unresponsive, restart the device first. If that fails, reset gesture settings or clear system UI cache. This often resolves conflicts from third-party launchers or recent updates, and then reapply gestures carefully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.